Today, I'm going to show you how to import content from a URL in Gamma app step by step so you can turn any web page into a clean, organized project in just a few clicks. This is a super useful feature if you want Gamma to pull in source material from an article, blog post, landing page, or any public web page and help you build a presentation or document faster. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Gamma and go to your dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Create New button. This is where Gamma starts a new project, and it's the first step for bringing in content from outside sources. Go ahead and click Create New. After that, Gamma should show you different ways to start a new project. If you see an option to import from a link or URL, select that option. Depending on the version you're using, it may say Import from URL, Import from link, or something very similar. The goal here is to tell Gamma that you want it to use a web page as the source for your new content. Next, copy the web page URL that you want to use. This could be a blog article, a product page, a guide, or any page you want Gamma to read and organize. Make sure the link is correct and that the web page is publicly accessible, because Gamma needs to be able to read the content from that page. Once you've copied the URL, return to Gamma and paste it into the import box. Take a moment to double-check the link before moving forward, because using the wrong URL can lead to the wrong content being imported. After pasting the link, click Import, Continue, or Generate depending on the button Gamma shows you. Different versions of the app may use slightly different wording, but the process is the same. Gamma will then begin reading the content from the web page and preparing it for your new project. At this stage, just wait for Gamma to process everything. If the page is long or has a lot of content, it may take a few moments for the app to finish pulling in the information. Once Gamma is done, you'll usually see generated cards or a structured layout based on the web page content. This is the part where you should review everything carefully. Check the headings, the structure, and the way Gamma has organized the information. Make sure the important details were captured properly and that nothing looks off. If needed, you can edit the cards, rewrite sections, or remove anything you don't want to keep. That's one of the best parts of using Gamma, because it gives you a strong starting point instead of building everything from scratch. So just to recap, you open Gamma, click Create New, choose the option to import from a URL, paste in your web page link, and let Gamma generate the content for you. It's a fast and simple way to turn online content into a usable project. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.